Hey, I wanted to make this video real quick to show y'all how to make web design mockups using PlaceIt.net. I really like it. It's super easy. So I'm going to show you how to do this in about 2 minutes. So if you go to PlaceIt.net and then you go to the search bar, you can search something like MacBook Pro, and then you're going to see a bunch of mockup options show up that you can use to create a web design mockup. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick this very first one, the MacBook Pro 1280 by 800 pixels, just so you can check this out. And there's a couple different ways you could do this. So you could take a screenshot of whatever website or app you want to put into the frame here, and then crop it yourself and do it all like that and insert an image. But that's kind of a pain, so what I usually do is input the image from the URL. So if you click there, then we can just grab the URL here, puppymanor.com. This is the site I built, and click go, and then give it a sec. And then it automatically pulls in a appropriately cropped and adjusted image from that website URL. So once we have our mockup, then we can come up here and click the purple download button, and then it'll start downloading, and it'll take a sec. And once it's ready, we can click here to download. We get the file. We'll just take that, open it up. Nice. We have a nice little mockup that was made essentially for us. It saved us a bunch of time and hassle, and we didn't have to even open any design programs or anything. So that's how I make most of my mockups. I use PlaceIt.net. Highly recommend it. Thanks, y'all.